Every drop of water you drink today has been on an incredible journey for millions of years. From oceans to clouds to rain to rivers, this endless loop is called the water cycle, and it's what makes life on Earth possible. Let's break it down. The cycle begins when the sun heats up oceans, lakes, and rivers, turning water into vapor in a process called evaporation. Plants also play a role through transpiration, releasing water vapor into the air from their leaves. Together, these processes send water into the atmosphere. As water vapor rises, it cools and turns back into tiny droplets, forming clouds. This is condensation, the reason we see fluffy clouds in the sky. The water collects until the clouds become heavy. When the clouds can't hold any more water, it falls back to Earth as precipitation: rain, snow, sleet, or hail. This is how fresh water is delivered across the planet. That water doesn't just disappear. It flows into rivers, lakes, and oceans, or soaks into the ground, replenishing groundwater. Some of it gets trapped in glaciers, while some begins the cycle again almost immediately. The water cycle regulates Earth's climate, keeps ecosystems alive, and supplies fresh water for drinking, farming, and industry. But climate change is disrupting this balance, leading to stronger storms, longer droughts, and melting ice caps. Understanding the cycle helps us see why protecting water resources is critical. So the next time you drink a glass of water, remember, it's been part of rivers, clouds, and oceans for millions of years. The water cycle isn't just science, it's Earth's recycling system, keeping all life alive. Like what you saw. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.